They say a measure of society is what it does with power. Power drives us all. It is the fundamental essence that defines living. We know it and entrust you with power that sustains every time you step out on the fast lane. SF Sonic batteries deliver more power with every crank. Challenging the current limits of technology with stringent quality standards, we create superior batteries that reflect our technical competence and vision, ensuring that every time you crank your vehicle, you get more power. These hallmarks make our batteries accentuate, keeping you ahead and making us a leader on the road to advancement. SF Sonic batteries offer unique and innovative solutions for a wide category of vehicles, homes and businesses across India. Take for instance our most popular Flash Start batteries. We employ patented Japanese C21 alloys at the core of all our Flash Start batteries, invariably increasing battery efficiency exponentially. Every plate in most of our batteries is provided with dual protection and a special grade of separators, warranting sustenance to shocks, making the battery shock absorbent. This ensures instant ignition even in severe climatic conditions. Each battery comes with special arresters to prohibit corrosion or leakage. Every minute, numerous vehicles start with SF Sonic batteries at their core. This milestone comes with our widespread power bay network across the country and with our employees for whom vision means thinking out of the box, challenging technical boundaries and bringing alive ideas of the future. By setting a benchmark for automotive batteries, we've captured the pulse of the next generation across India. Our pan-India service network is committed to keeping your battery's performance optimum all its life. The Power Line exemplifies this. With a vision to empower the nation with pioneering solutions for the trends of the power industry, SF Sonic batteries believe in giving you power to ensure no halts in your path to success. SF Sonic batteries, more power per crank.